As an innovator in your industry, you have great ideas. The products you dream up are best in class. Both their quality and size will allow you to get out ahead of the pack, differentiating you from your competition. But it can be risky to stuff your product with too many features, what's also known as stuffication. So what's the alternative? How do you get users to latch on to that core value of your product? At Fresh Consulting, we recommend starting with an MVP, or minimum viable product. This is a slim and functional beta which allows you to test the product with your users and learn more about them. Eventually, you'll build your MVP into an MLP, but we'll cover that in a moment. An MVP does one thing really well. Features aren't bad, but the danger lies in not thinking strategically about how, when, and why you're releasing them. From usability risk to design costs, from development time to training effort, features must be accounted for. And unless you think about which ones to prioritize, the all-up investment for creating your product might be bigger than you think. So how do you balance getting out ahead of the pack while also releasing a lean and usable product? Here are a few simple steps to follow. Step 1. Use an MVP for early controlled testing. The key incentive for creating an MVP is to collect the maximum amount of validated learning about customers with the least amount of effort. This approach allows you to track the behavior of users and gather data, learning more about what features work and which ones need improvement. Step 2. Use an MLP as your first product release. The MLP adds the delight factor. Now that you've vetted features with your users, you can add the other features your users demand. If you've done it right, the MLP will build loyalty and engagement. Step 3. Allow users to grow with the app. If you gain support and loyalty from your early adopters, you'll be able to implement the features you dreamed up at the beginning. Now, having identified what works and what doesn't through testing and analysis, you can anticipate user pain points. By releasing features in strategic sets over time, you can maintain adoption, creating a positive cycle of learning and mastering features as the product grows. Creating something truly lovable will allow you to take more risks and become more innovative as your users and your application grow together.